Now let's transition into the supervisor perspective demo. A supervisor can log in just the same way that the employee can log in through the portal, which is single sign-on, or they can also use the new link to log into the new timecode GUI. I'm going to show you what that looks like from this new URL. Right away, you're going to see that the look and feel is a little bit cleaner and different coloring. Right now, it's going to default to our home dashboard, and this is an area where we can see quick pieces of information. These are like small reports, and if you don't want to see them on your dashboard, simply click the X to remove it. You can also click the plus sign to add other dashboard widgets. These little tiles can also show summary information as well as details. And you can do different things like click on the employee's name, which will open up a new browser and navigate to their time card directly. You'll notice that the supervisor has more menus up at the top of the screen, as well as a settings icon if they have a system admin role. Let's go ahead and show you what some of these menus look like. So if we hover over time cards, we can view all of our employee time cards that we have access to. You can do a search if you're trying to find someone right away, or you can click on the employee's name and you can open up their time card that way. Navigation is really easy and quick because you can easily navigate to the next person in line through alphabetical order, or you can click on their name and just start typing someone's name to quickly jump to their time card. Once you're on the time card, you're going to be able to view different information. The supervisor can update their time card if they have a missed punch or need to correct something. You can also click on benefits to view their current balance, any kind of exceptions like missed punches. You can also view points if a point system is set up, as well as the schedule and a map for geofencing if we have this set up in the system for the client. Exception cards are going to just show any kind of missed punches so that we can quickly navigate to their time card and correct the missed punch. If we go into time card approvals, this will be an easy way to quickly approve all of our time cards so that we can just visually verify whose time card we have reviewed and approved. You can do all of the time cards at once, or you can approve them one by one. The time cards will not be checked if there are any missed punches. You can quickly approve or unapprove time cards with this feature. The daily review is just going to show you who is punched in for the day and what the hours are. Leave requests. Here we can easily see a list of submitted requests. We can also click on the calendar icon, which will give us a different perspective so that we can manage our teams better in case everyone requests the same day off. You can simply check the box and approve the time off. Under the Employees menu, you can view your employee profile information and make them supervisors as well as assign employees to them. The scheduler feature is a nice upgrade in this new GUI. So you can create templates and also apply them really easily, as well as manage different shifts. So if we create a new template, we can give the schedule a name. We can have the schedule start on a specific day and define it for a specific set of days. We'll just define all of the different hours and days, and then we'll click Save Changes. Once we've made our template, we can click Show Templates. I have quite a few different templates here, but we can apply them just by clicking the template and then dragging it over and hovering it over someone's line. That will give them the template, and then it will automatically check the rollover box so that we don't have to manage it each week. You can also view the scheduler by month day or week so we can see how many employees have been scheduled out, and navigate to different months with the arrows. You can quickly go back to the current day by clicking the Today icon. You can also display employees' availability by simply checking this box here. You can also check the box to show any unscheduled employees in your system. And finally, the Manage Shifts icon is going to allow you to quickly approve any kind of pending shift change request. Now let's show you some of the reporting. If we hover over reporting and select employees, we'll be able to view the different available employee reports. We'll just select the leave request report, and then we're going to have a parameter or filter option list available to us. So you'll just want to scroll through the list of options and then click View Report. Once the report loads, you'll have different options to export the data. You can also email the report to anyone that you'd like. Something that's new about the report area is that you can also hide and show different pieces of information on your reports. You can also save different versions of the report, give it a description, and put it on a schedule. If the supervisor has system admin privileges, they will also have more access to do different setup options. So if we go into first our geolocations, I'll show you that. It's really easy in terms of setup. You simply just give a name to your location. We'll just do HQ for headquarters. We can start typing in the address that we'd like to use. We can also just start typing in the company name, and that should give us the location. We'll click the magnifying glass to search for the exact location. And then we can also give it a radius up to 1 mile. Once we are good with this specific location, we'll just click Add, and that will set a geolocation for where employees are able to punch in at. You also have the option to reject punches outside of the location radiuses. In terms of messages, we can add a new message and customize it for certain individuals or all of our employees. If we go into Prism HR, this is where we can preview our payroll hours and quickly add them to a batch where we can upload the hours into Prism HR. Holidays are also easy to set up, so we can set up our holidays for the entire year. And then when the day is falling within the pay range, we have the ability to post them to the employees' time cards.